Sit comfortably and relax your body. Roll your shoulders back and let your shoulder blades travel down your spine. Take a deep breath in and sigh out your breath. And now return to your normal breathing. Feel your whole body relaxing more and more. I want you to become aware of your heart. Move your focus to the space where your heart is in your chest. Envision your heart beating inside of your chest. Maybe you even become aware of the physical sensations of your heart beating in your chest. While you keep your focus on the space where your heart is, I want you to direct your next breath into your heart space. Breathe into your heart and breathe out. Guide your breath in to your heart space, and with your breath out, relax your heart. Stay focused on your heart while you keep breathing in and out. Now imagine your heart sending out waves of energy with every beat. Like a lighthouse sending out its light, imagine your heart sending out waves with every beat. With every breath, you are giving your heart more energy and more power to send out a coherent signal. This signal of your heart flows now through your body and all around you. With every breath, the signal and the waves get stronger and reach out further. Keep breathing into your heart and feel the waves your heartbeat creates. This wave allows your body to relax even more. every wave reaching a body part that still holds some tension, the tension disappears. You can let go and relax even further. In your heart, you begin to feel calmness. You feel harmony. You feel coherence. With every breath, you can feel even calmer, more content and more relaxed. Your body and your mind are flooded by this sense of peace coming from your heart. And with every breath in and out, you keep this inner peace alive. Feel more of this calmness in the waves of your heart. Feel it in every cell in your body and all around you. All your inner and outer energy field is full of calm, peace, and harmony. Enjoy this feeling and the loving power of your heart for a while longer. Allow yourself to fully relax into it. Allow yourself to fully enjoy it. Come back to me now. Come back to a fully relaxed body and mind. Return to your life filled with harmony and peace. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and carry this calmness over into your life. You are the creator of your life. Enjoy your creation of peace and harmony.